It's been a while since I featured some meat-free meat on the channel. I got this Viv Era plant shawarma kebab, so I thought we'd try it out, see if it's any good. So I featured some meat-free kebab on the channel before, and when I was in Tesco's last, I came across this stuff, so thought I'd give it a try. I tried a few of them before, and they taste pretty good, so I thought I'd give it a go. It looks like kebab, so that way you can see that in the video. And let's talk about what is inside it. So rehydrated soya protein, rapeseed oil, sunflower oil, vinegar, herbs, spices, salt, natural flavourings, dried vegetables, that being paprika and onion, water, garlic, and then a few other bits and bobs on there. Suitable for vegans and prepared to a vegan recipe. And you can have a little look what's like in there, and there's some information inside as well if you want to open it up. So I'm going to pop this in the oven because the oven's already on, and it basically says we've got a few options. We can put it in a preheated oven for 4 minutes at 225 degrees centigrade. We can do it on a barbecue if you wanted, in some aluminium foil. That'd be about 6 minutes. Or we could heat some oil in a pan and fry it for 6 minutes. So again, we're going to pop it in the oven and then give it a little try and make myself a couple of pittas. Even got a little pitta recipe if you're interested in. So it recommends 1 clove of garlic, 5 grams of chives, 2 tablespoons of vegan mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of vegan yogurt, 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, 1 small red onion, 2 pittas, lettuce, olive oil, peppers and salt. So I've just got normal mayonnaise, got a bit of Greek yogurt I'm going to pop in there as well, chop some tomatoes, bit of onions, pop it in a pitta and see if they are any good. So let me pop these in the oven and see if it's any good. Okay, I've got an oven dish here that's just handy that will do. So we'll just pop the contents of that in here. Let's let that out a little bit, and then again we're going to put it in the oven for 4 minutes. Actually, it smells pretty good. So just whilst that's in the oven, I've basically got some wild rocket out of the fridge because I like kind of a peppery taste. I chopped up some red onion, some cherry tomatoes, and then a little bit of red chili pepper because I like things to be a little bit spicy. Now, I'm not a vegan or a vegetarian, but every now and then I do like to eat food that I guess is labelled as vegan or vegetarian to have a slightly kind of lighter, perhaps healthier meal, especially with kebab. I quite like to try different things. Big fan of doner and kind of chicken tikka kebabs, but yeah, interested to see what the plant shawarma kind of stuff tastes like. I know a lot of people, including myself, not a big fan of some of the tastes and flavours in some vegan and vegetarian food, but there are actually some really good ones out there. So I'm always excited to try different things, so we'll see if this is any good. A couple more minutes and it should be good to pop out the oven, and we'll give it a little taste test for kind of putting the kebab together with the Hama pittas that I've got in the toaster right now. Okay, I'll put them in for 5 minutes because I didn't quite have it up to 225 degrees centigrade. It feels nice and warm. So let's do a taste test. So here it is, a little bit of the kebab. It has that kind of kebab, kind of meat texture, a little bit. I don't know, how do you describe kebab, but it tastes a bit like it. Yeah, so it's kind of a mixture between doner and chicken. Pretty good. Let's put that kebab together and see how they taste. Okay, so it's all ready. I'm probably not going to get massive marks for my food presentation, but here it is, all in a wholemeal pitta. So I've got some rocket salad in there, some red chilies, some cherry tomatoes all chopped up, some onion, a bit of Greek yogurt in there, as well as the kebab meat. So give it a go. Certainly smells good. That's good. Probably could do with a few more minutes in the oven, just get a little bit hotter because it's obviously cooled down a little bit, but yeah, that tastes really good. So I think, vegan or not, definitely worth checking out this kebab meat. And with all my videos, the most important thing is the dog taste test. Does my dog appreciate this stuff or not? Just asking for more, so that's a definitive yes. If you like this video, please like it, it'd be much appreciated. Consider subscribing and pressing the bell notification icon as well. A little bit of food stuff on here, but mainly geeks, gadgetry type stuff and other things. Let me know in the comments if you tried this before. If there's any other ones you recommend trying, willing to give them a go in the future as well. So again, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Until next video, take care. Goodbye for now.